Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a donation form using paymentform.io. Paymentform.io is a form-based checkout platform that allows you to create payment forms for various use cases, including donations, fundraising, e-commerce products, events, memberships, and much more. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new form. First, click on the Create Your First Form button. Then you will see all available modules. Select the donation module. Step 2. Configure donation settings. Now select the currency from the drop-down options. Add the default amount, simply click on the plus icon. And also set the minimum donation amount. If the custom amount option is enabled, it allows donors to enter any amount they wish. Next, select the payment frequency options, such as one-time, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly donations, to give donors multiple ways to contribute. Step 3. Add your form fields. So go to the Fields tab. Here, you will find 10 plus different field types. You can choose and add any fields to your forms to collect the necessary information from each donor. Step 4. Customize the settings. Navigate to the Settings tab. In the Form Settings section, upload a header image, and also add a compelling header title along with a short description that clearly explains what the donation will support. Next, you can customize your form's theme settings, including the font family, colors, background, and accent color, according to your preferences. Now, select your preferred payment gateway from the drop-down options to receive donation payments. If you have not connected a payment gateway yet, go to the Payment Gateway page and connect your preferred payment gateway. Here, you will find all the payment gateways currently supported by paymentform.io. In this tutorial, I will use Stripe as an example. You can connect multiple payment gateways to your paymentform.io account and then choose the required gateway inside your individual forms. This gives your users more payment options when they complete a payment. To learn how to connect other payment gateways with paymentform.io, check out the related tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Before connecting Stripe, make sure you have a Stripe account. For testing, you can use Stripe test mode before accepting real payments. The setup process is quick. Click the Connect button. Sign in to your Stripe account. Authorize the connection, and your Stripe account will be connected to paymentform.io in just a few steps. Next, write a short, warm confirmation message that appears after a donor submits the form. If you want to display your organization's terms and conditions directly on the form, go to the Terms and Conditions section and enable the Terms and Conditions option. Next, you can also set up automated emails for both donors and your team. Donors will receive an immediate confirmation, and you will be notified of every new contribution. In the Invoice Builder, you can customize the invoice sent to each donor by including your organization's name, details about what the donation supports, and any tax-related information your donors may need. You can integrate tools like Metapixel or Google Analytics to track your form visits, donor behavior, and donation activity. These tools help you understand which channels drive traffic to your donation form and identify where potential donors may drop off during the process. If you want to keep your donation form private, you can easily enable the password protection option. This is perfect for internal donations, private communities, invite-only campaigns, or forms shared exclusively with selected donors. In the Form Status section, you can keep the form enabled, disable it at any time, or set it to expire on a specific date for campaigns with a deadline. After configuring all the settings, click on the Save and Preview button. Step 5. Share your donation form. So, navigate to the Publish tab. Here, you will find 4 different ways to share your donation form: share link, embed code, share on social media, and share via QR code. Now, I am using the share link option to publish this form. Here, you can see that your donation form is fully set up and ready to start collecting donations. Now, I am filling out the required information and making a small donation to support flood-affected victims. Step 6. Track and manage all donation-related information provided by donors. Once the payment is successful, a confirmation message will appear, and the donor will receive a secure Magic login link via email. Now, open your payment form submission dashboard. Here, you can view all donation-related information provided by donors, including their name, email, phone number, message, transaction amount, and invoice details, all organized in one place without the need for a separate spreadsheet or CRM. Finally, donors will also receive a detailed donation confirmation email containing their payment summary and invoice information. Your online donation form is now fully ready to collect donations smoothly and securely with paymentform.io. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.